See, I told you. You never know what you're going to find when you're going for a walk with me. Anyway, I spotted a bottle in the river just down there, and here it is. And it's written the North Wales Brewery Company Limited. It's a green bottle. Not quite sure what to make of that. CB and Co. Well, there. Anyway, nice little bottle. It does have two. It does have a seam to it. It has a line going down there. So I don't know if it's manufactured by just blowing or it was made in a mould. That's why I say with the lines on the side. But anyway, that's my bottle. That's the sound. Anyway, I'm going fishing again. Oh, the horsey there's got a baby. A foal. Don't know if I see it. I'll just see if I can see it. Nice deep hole here now. Just in front of us here. That's going to be a good spot for salmons and sea trout when the water's higher. The water's definitely dug into there. And then it's gone shallow there again. So it's a big hole coming here. That's going to be excellent for the fish. They do hide along the edge over there. Should have it go down here and drop the bottle on the floor. Just a few casts by there in that faster water.